Welcome to Tasty Life Plant Lady. After a long time, I am here to overview my balcony garden in this new year, and I made this corner which is so beautiful and cute. As you can see, blue vine, dianthus and yellow flower all together, and of course here is my crown of thorns. I have three types in this balcony this time, and that's the red one beside, and here is the reddish one, and also hibiscus are bloom in this winter as well, though it is less. Sometimes they bloom one or two, sometimes three, but not daily. Here is a nice footage where Torenia, purple Torenia and the hibiscus and also dianthus all together in this corner, but unfortunately this Torenia is not yet alive. It's just died because this time we have too much cold, and I don't know is it because of cold or in some other reason. I didn't find the reason. Then I buy another one, this pink color Torenia, which is also was super cute and beautiful, and this was also survived for long, and I made some cuttings grow out of that. So, and I have that video available in my channel in short form, of course, so that everyone can enjoy that. And for more flowering, I also removed the dead flower, which I did for dianthus and marigold as well in the winter. And you guys know it is very necessary to remove dead flower because they kill energy of plants. And here are my little chili plants. Because of too much cold, chilies are also become so tiny and little, and blue days are very nice. They are darling. They bloom every day. This time I have four types of dianthus: yellow, white, then red, just white. You can see I just love white dianthus. They are so vibrant. I don't know why, I just love them so much. Then beside that, here is red one. Maybe my mobile didn't capture the perfect color, but it is actually pure red color. Then I have the pinkish and whitish color which didn't bloom today. I removed all the flowers, so here two are just beside, and this pinkish one, pink and white together, I just love it. Every winter season I just have one of this type, so they just made my day because every time I see them I just feel so good. And of course I also removed all the dead flowers in this way. I did in maximum flowers in winter so that they can save energy and can give me more flower, and my balcony become flowerish all day long. And this blue vine clitoria also bloom once or twice, not too much in this winter. And of course marigold, they are the ultimate queen of the winter season, and I have this time 6 or 7 type of varieties because they are just so amazing in this winter season. There is yellowish color, lime yellow, as you can see, so nice and beautiful. And this time they died too many times. I mean, I lost so many plants. I just don't know why they didn't adjust in this balcony. Then finally I placed them inside the railing, and because of lots of sun they survived this time, and finally they just set in my garden. And here are today, as you can see, they just bloom in a chunk. The whole balcony looks so vibrant and colorful, beautiful. They are come in various color of yellow, just yellowish, orangish, lime and red, so many types, and I have all of them this time, but only two not bloom today. Here is the little one, very little. They are the desi marigold, gada full, which we called in Bengali, genda flower, which also have very strong smell. And beside that, the yellow one, I didn't took they captured them because they are just out of the railing. I tried a lot. Here it is, this one also very beautiful. So here are all the plants of this winter, and I am giving you just a little overview. I also have so many plants, but here are the main star of this winter, so I am skipping them so that the video will be very longer. Hope you guys like it, and let me know if you have any suggestion or you want to know or share with me anything else. Thank you so much. See you next video.